So Gurgaon is again on fire with upcoming launches, and we have taken top 5 launches of the market with the most reputed brands which are available in this city called Gurgaon. First launch, which is on the SPR road, that is Birla 71. So Birla is coming up next to Pyramid, just opposite to DLF Almeida, with a 5.5 acres of land parcel, जिसके अंदर 5 towers रहने वाले हैं. एंड सबसे अच्छी चीज इसकी ये है, जो इसके साथ आपको ब्रांड मिलता है एंड द कनेक्टिविटी दैट यू गेट विद इट. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकंड लॉन्च, विच इज अबाउट टू गेट लॉन्च्ड विद इन नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज. अगर इसके अंदर आपका बिल्कुल भी मन है, देन डोंट वेट, जस्ट गो फॉर इट. इट इज द Emaar 86. So Emaar is coming up with a new project in sector 86, and the name of the project is gonna be Serenity Hills. So Serenity Hills is coming up in 25.9 acres. It is gonna have 13 towers in total, 8 acres of open green space which is gonna be in the middle, and बहुत लो डेंसिटी प्रोजेक्ट है. अगर हम प्राइस की बात करें, प्राइस इज गोना बी समवेयर अराउंड 18,000 rupees per square feet. Now coming to the third launch, which is from a very reputed builder, and it is a listed company, which is Signature Global. So Signature Global is coming up with another launch in high rise. पहले इन्होंने एक डीलक्स DXP करके एक प्रोजेक्ट लेके आए थे, which was in sector 37D. Now they are coming up again in sector 37D with DXP Estate. Again 16,000 का प्राइस रहने वाला है, and this product is based around wellness living. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी मिल रही है जो एक नॉर्मल प्रोडक्ट के अंदर नहीं मिलती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यहाँ पे माइकल फिलिप्स की स्विमिंग अकेडमी चलेगी, यहाँ पे टाइगर श्रॉफ की डांस अकेडमी होगी. सो यूल गेट ऑल दी facilities which are around wellness within the project. So this is one good project that you can watch. Now coming to the fourth project, again it is in a different micro market which is called Sona Road. So Sona Road पे Elan is coming up with only 5 towers, जिसके अंदर वो top notch construction लेके आएगा with state of the art clubhouse, and the apartments are gonna be of only one size which is gonna be of 4 BHK, and the sizes are gonna be huge. अगर आप सोना रोड के आसपास कोई अल्ट्रा लग्जूरियस प्रॉपर्टी देख रहे हो, then you can have a look at this property, and this is gonna be one of the best investment if you want to live around Sona Road. Now coming to the last property, which is again in a different micro market, but again it comes on Dwarka Expressway. So Max is coming up with Estate 361. Earlier Max launched Estate 360, which was fully sold out within a month. Now Max is coming up with Estate 361, जिसके अंदर मल्टीपल टाइपोलॉजीज रहने वाली है. इट इज गोना बी ऑफ 3 BHK, 4 BHK, एंड इसी विसिनिटी के अंदर, इसी कम्युनिटी के अंदर दे गोना कम अप विद अंतारा सीनियर लिविंग. सो अगर आप इस टाइप का प्रोडक्ट देख रहे हो, अल्ट्रा लग्जूरियस प्रोडक्ट, एंड यू वांट टू बी इन दैट एरिया वेयर upcoming global city is coming, and you want to be close to the upcoming Cyber City 2, then this is the right product for you. If you want any information about any upcoming project in Gurgaon, call us and we'll help you out.